Hi beauties, welcome again to Winnie Styles. How are you guys doing? Please check out this beautiful short natural haircut that will make you look so beautiful. It's a hairstyle that is gorgeous for women over 50. If you're looking for a flattering variant of this short natural hairstyle, please, this is a classic choice for you to try because they are full of elegance and sophistication, and they build that invariable height around the crown of your head when you sometimes blood dry them. And one thing about this style is that they allows you to embrace the short hair with confidence and with flair. So the shorter hair allows for easy styling and maintenance, which makes it a perfect haircut for modern busy ladies at any age. So I love the style because one thing about the style is a classic haircut that serves as a source of inspiration for many women. It really personalizes how gorgeous your hair looks, and you can see how it will give your crown that modern appearance every woman wants. So if you really want to rock this style, please check out the rest of the videos we have, because we have carefully selected about 15 short natural haircuts that are feminine and will really take many years of your age. If it's your first time here in Winnie Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Stay locked to Winnie Styles for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way in the next few hours. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload.